Good morning, tubers of the RC universe, and welcome to RC Helicheck UK, but not for much longer. When I say not for much longer, I am going to be changing the name of the channel. RC Helicheck UK was just something random that I came up. I do a lot of stuff with helicopters, but I also do a lot of reviews on other things as well. So I'm going to be changing the name soon, so if you see my content come up with a different name, don't worry, it is still me. Anyway, welcome to part 2 of the RS7 Goosky helicopter. We are going to be today looking at putting the electrics in the model. Nick's going to do all that. We'll have a mixture of like time-lapse and live videos again, and then we'll go from that to the whole setup of the helicopter. And we're going to have RC Helicopter Richard with us today. He is going to be here helping up with the setup of the helicopter, and also hopefully, if this wind doesn't get too bad, we'll test fly the model as well. So this is the model in its state at the moment. It's got no electrics in, so we'll get all that sorted, get it all kitted out, get it all set up, then hopefully we'll be able to see what this thing can actually do. Right, this is the motor and the ESC that Nick is going for. They are currently connected up because they were in one of his other helicopters. That is an Ego Drift 510 kV motor. It is a motor of choice that he's using. There are other motors out there, but the Ego Drift motors are pretty damn cool. They produce a lot of power, and this is quite a chunky motor, as you can see. No pinion on it yet because that's still in the helicopter, it's still won't be fitted. And then his ESC of choice is a Hobby Wing 200 amp, and he's getting ready to solder the connector on the end for that. He uses these connectors. What are these connectors called, Nick?
RC Pro Plus Super X there, just for the series connection. I use the AS150s for the main connections.
There you go. And we have what we've got here.
That's the bullets for
those are the bullets for it. And the servo choices are the GDWs, the red ones, as you can see here. These are the cyclic servos, and we've got one black one here, which will be for the tail. They are all specifically torque rated, but they're all of high torque. He also uses a buffer pack, which goes directly to the receiver.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's just used as a backup.
A backup for the receiver. They're a good idea, actually. I mean, RC Helicopter Richard uses them as well. A few other guys use them. There's the pinion already mounted in the mount, ready to go. You've got your grub screw there, so you don't have to take it out to fit the pinion. You can actually fit this in on the motor as it is. So yeah, you've got all these other bits and pieces here from the kit, the screws for mounting into the helicopter, etc., and his V-bar receiver aerial splitter, which will go probably on the back of the boom somewhere. So he's going to get all this kitted out, like I say, get the ends soldered onto here, and then hopefully we can start installing everything. RC Helicopter Richard's choice of model today, his only choice of model actually, because that's all he ever flies. Great pilot. He's going to be helping us, like I said earlier on, setting up the Goosky RS7 and hopefully test flying it if the wind that I suffer really bad with doesn't stop. Right, Nick has now got the ESC all sorted. He's just going through the firmware update on there, make sure everything's all up to date, using his laptop.
Power it back up. Just to check the settings I've taken. Read the ESC. That all looks good. That all looks good. That all looks good.
When you plug it in, it just went delete. Does it not go through the whole arming process when you do it?
No, because it's all automatically seeing it's connected to the software, so it doesn't actually do any arming.
Right.
Right, that all looks good. So ESC looks good, set up.
Happy days. Right, we're at that stage where Nick is now going to start installing everything, so we will go into time-lapse mode through each stage and come back live once it's done. Think of it. Well, slight cock up there, forgot to press record on time lapse, so we've got the last servo going in. But anyway, because I'm a knob, they've all gone in quite nice. You've got these, and we get a tickling stick. See these brass things here? They are servo centering grommets that go through the holes in the servos and line it up nice and straight and perfectly. A lot of people think what's the point, but you know, it's just another little thing there that's that works nice. But they're going well, so we'll go on to the next stage now, which I'm guessing will be fitting the ESC and the motor, and we're getting one stage closer to flying this. Well, setting it up, then flying it. we are slowly getting there. The electronic speaker controller and motor have been fitted. We have got the door other wires. They have all got to be fed through. You can see Nick uses this, I forget what they call it now, protective covering basically over the servo wires. Plus it's black in it and makes it hide better. But yeah, this is a quality model and it's coming on really well. So I'll let Nick carry on. Hopefully we can get it airborne soon, but it's getting bloody windy out there.
someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people that pass me by, back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think for the people that pass me by, back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna feel your gap without making a mess at you. I wanna tell me something new. I wanna tell you something new. I wish you all the best I can, and I
Okay.
You want to power it up again? Are you recording, Rob?
Yeah.
Rob, this is the battery. It goes here to the ESC. Now,
I'm gonna go through and
Stop talking like that, you bloody idiot.
so I've got to reverse the elevator channel. Got the model set up.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, that comes out and leave it in.
That looks good.
Why is the swash plate all the way over to the right?
Don't know.
I told you it's not a squash plate.
Swish plate.
It's a swish plate.
Well, they've
I
got
saw a
the-
video of somebody who said that. There we go.
Yeah, so why is the swash plate all the way over when it's switched off? Well, I've got to do sub trims.
No, but you're in the setup menu now, aren't you?
Well, you sent it the servos mechanically anyway, didn't you? On there anyway.
Yeah. Oh, you were in cyclic calibration.
Turn cycling calibration.
Model setup. Yeah, so that should be level now. So why is that not level? That servo's well out. No, they're all.
What did you just flick to make it go level?
Yeah, none of them seem centered.
They are centered
Yeah,
because
when I did it,
before-
I
you
did that.
So what's that now?
Yeah, but that's cyclic calibration. That's not supposed to be level.
now.
Is it not? Well, that's where I fucked up, man.
Yeah, cyclic calibration should be
So
8
I need
degrees.
to get them on level.
Yeah, if you go into the trim menu now.
Choose that one.
Yeah, so that should be level and servo centered.
Nick's currently in the process of programming the helicopter's directional stability with his Mikado radio. The good thing about Mikados is that you can do all your tuning through the radio, and not like, say, on what I do on the Beast X's where you have to press the button and go through the different menus. It is all done on that radio, which is a good reason to have a Mikado radio if you can afford it, because they're bloody expensive. I see Helicopter Richard giving it the beans with his Tron Advance 7, despite it being a hurricane wind.
Well, hopefully there's one turn.
Is that right?
So we're going 90-90.
I know, you can interview me. In fact, next time you go to the toilet, I'll get Nick to put the camera on me. I'll go, I want you to stop picking on my dad. You recorded?
That is the professional pilot called RC Helicopter Richard that you can hear in the background there, guys.
You stop picking on my dad. That's not going in.
It is.
And my name is John Palmer.
The helicopter's wiggle wobbling. It's not that fucking wind blowing.
You're a knob.
That seemed alright. Did everything it was supposed to?
Pre-comp was working.
Yep. Seems smooth.
What about your spool up, fast spool up and all that kind of stuff?
Motor idle. Motor on.
Vibration levels,
Where do we fit that?
under status, should be under the, just above setup, status. Scroll down to the bottom. Yeah, Yeah, and you've tried your different banks.
Yeah.
Hit the spool up speed is fine. Your mesh is a little,
Tight.
no, other way around, it's a bit loose, which is I think where that noise is coming from. There's quite a bit of play there.
Yeah, something like
Morning guys, it is the next day. Working on the RS7. We're just waiting for the batteries to charge up, then we're ready to go. Have a quick look at Rich flying his Tron. As you can probably hear on the mic, it's bloody windy again today. Crazy flying. I couldn't do anything like that. I haven't got the eye and hand coordination. He's been doing it for like over 20 years. That's why he's as good as he is. Anyway, let's get on with this RS7. Rich is going to be test flying it for us. So hopefully the wind won't prevail too much to affect its flying capabilities. So let's have a look.
your tech's on, or
It is.
I can't believe it's there it goes.
Right, so, oh, I've flown this.
yeah, have, because it was on the Spectre, it was on something else.
2000. Right, so I need a 12S 5000.
Yeah.
Set it up with the hobby wing screens because it's a hobby wing. Yeah, so now we've got current, voltage, ESC temp, cap temps. Everything moves in the right direction, so that goes that way, goes that way.
Gyros as well.
Check the belt direction, it's fine. Yeah, gyros. Yeah. That's it. Tail. Yeah, that's right. Cool.
Yeah, I'd say they're just arbitrary numbers at the minute. I haven't.
Yeah, and we tried the ultratation yesterday.
Yes.
Does it not have the recommended speeds and the manual for it at all?
Can't say I've seen recommended maximums.
Yeah, it's all fine. Yeah, it all looks normal. Should we give it a go?
Can they look before you're going to go over there?
I don't know, wherever's less muddy, I suppose, or less wet. Where are you going with that?
I don't know.
Should we go over here?
This is just going to be an initial test flight without the canopy on, hovering. As you can feel and hear, I should say, that the wind is still blowing a little at the moment, but it should be okay. All will be revealed.
that wobbles. That's perfect, man. It's a really good. That's a really good build.
Nice job.
I mean,
very quiet.
I won't fly it around without the canopy. But
No. It's a Maiden,
That's
isn't it?
bang on, yeah.
Have you got enough power left in it to fly with a canopy on it?
I suppose if you wanted to clip it on.
Nick? Right, we're ready for another flight of the Goosky RS7, this time with the canopy on. So, let's see how it goes.
Quite a kick on it.
Got quite a fast ball up, hasn't it?
Yeah, what's that? Might be worth turning that down.
They're on a tail wag.
weather permits a little bit better, but we want to optimise on it.
Yeah, definitely a trim flight. I don't think there's anything else I need to do. It definitely preferred the higher head speed, the 1900 one.
Yeah, so I've only got one set.
Yeah, so I would probably I'd bump them all up by, well, I'd bump the lowest one, which is 1500, up to about 1700.
17, 19, 21.
Yeah, bump the middle one up to about 1900, and then bump the bang 3 up to about 1950, 1980. But they've got a bit of battery left. Yeah, that spool up is very quick. I would definitely change that. Change that in the hobby window.
Just done it. Roger, roger. and see how fast it will go.
What do you think about the boom? No, I wouldn't want to do a speed run.
No, okay.
On the low hit speed.
You're doing it again, aren't you?
No wobbles, nothing on spool down.
There you have it, guys. That was the Goosky RS7, and as you can see, it's built up to be a rather nice model. It is very quiet, and for a out of the box build following the manual, absolutely nothing at all needed to be done to it. There was no vibrations, no wobbles, nothing. It has been built perfectly, so I think we can safely say that the quality of the Goosky RS7 is pretty spot on. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video, guys. That is going to be it for this one. There will be more content coming up soon, and I will be under a new name. Still not figured out what it's going to be yet. So any of you that are subscribed, you see my stuff come up with a different title. It is me. So, but thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate your support. Click the old like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell for more content like this. And I will see you again soon. Preferably when it's not like windy.